Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today's video is very special for the students of class 10, those who are appearing in CBSE board examination. As you know, due to this pandemic and online classes are going on, CBSE has decided to reduce the portion up to 30%. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, इस पैंडेमिक की वजह से सीबीएसई ने पोर्शन रिड्यूस कर दिया है और सीबीएसई ने एक और कदम उठाया है कि उन्होंने क्वेश्चन पेपर पैटर्न में बहुत से चेंजेस लाए हैं. Students, mind it well, these changes are only for this year 2020 and 21. So, today in this video, we will discuss all the major changes of question paper pattern of academic subjects like English, Hindi, mathematics, science, and social science. So kindly watch this video till end, and whatever sample paper have been issued by CBSE, that link I will share it in the description. Let's go ahead. Let us first understand the changes made in the question paper pattern of English language and literature. Its code is 184. Dear students, as you know, previously there were 3 sections in the English question paper. But now what is the change? This time there will be only 2 sections, that is section A and section B. Section A will contain reading section. It will be having 2 questions, question number 1 and 2. Literature, question number 3 and 4. And from grammar, there will be question number 6 and 7. Section B will contain writing section, question number 8 and 9. And from literature, there will be question number 10 to 13. So in writing, there will be question from creative writing, and in literature section, questions will be asked from both the books, that is the main textbook and supplementary. Let's move ahead towards Hindi. As you know, in Hindi course B, the code is 85. Earlier, there were 4 sections, but this time there will be only 2 sections in Hindi language paper 2. So in section A, there will be objective type questions, and there will be apadit gadyansh, means unseen passages will be asked for comprehension, and Pathya Pustak will be there. The questions from the book about literature will be asked, and from the supplementary book too. And grammar will be asked. All these 3 things, unseen comprehension, literature question, and grammar, that will be in objective type in section A. Section B will be having subjective type questions from the literature book and supplementary, and the creative writing will be asked. That's it in Hindi. Then in mathematics, its code is Standard Mathematics 041. As per the new paper pattern, paper will contain only 2 parts. Part A will be of 32 marks and part 2 will be of 48 marks. So there will be 16 questions of 1 mark each. That will be objective type. And question number 17 to 20, these questions will be of 4 marks each, and they will be case study based. Then in section part B, there will be 21 to 26 question number of 2 marks each, and question number 27 to 33, 3 marks each, and question number 34 to 36 question will be 5 marks each. Earlier, there were no 5 mark question, but this time it is the new introduction of 5 marks question. Earlier, there were 40 question, and this time it is reduced to 36. In science, its code is 086. Previously, there were 3 sections, but this time there will be 4 sections in science. So A, B, C, and D. Section A will contain 20 questions of 1 mark each. Section B, question number 21 to 26, 2 marks each. Section C, 27 to 33, 3 marks each. And section D will contain question number 34 to 36, 5 marks each. So this will be the paper pattern of science. Then in social science, I have prepared a separate video too. You can go through that. I'll share the link in description. But still, I'll share it. In social science, code is 087. There are changes in social science too. Earlier, there were 35 questions in the paper. And this time, question will be divided into 5 sections. Section A to E, there will be only 32 questions. Section A will carry question number 1 to 16, 1 marks each. Section B will have question number 17 to 22, 3 marks each. Section C will have question number 23 to 26, 4 marks each. This is the new introduction. And students, this 4 marks question will be from all the 4 books and they will be case studies based. They will be very simple and comprehension types question will be asked. Section number D, it will carry question number 27 to 31, 5 marks each. Section E will have map question. There will be 2 questions for map, one from history and one from geography. History map will carry only 2 marks and geography map will carry 3 marks. In history, generally things are given in the map, you have to identify. In geography, for 3 marks, you need to locate and write the name and detail of the place too. So this way, 80 marks will be covered in social science. I hope you are clear. So all the links of this sample paper, which are issued by CBSE, particularly for this year, I will share it in description. Thank you very much. I hope you are clear about the question paper pattern and the changes in all the major subjects for particular this year. Thank you very much and stay tuned for my next video.